And our top story here on Super 6, all is not well within the Congress-DMK alliance in Tamil Nadu. There's been rumblings about this, but now it's out in the open because you've got one Congress leader after another saying enough is enough. We need a slice of the power pie. We want a power-sharing deal. Remember, while the Congress is a part of an alliance with the DMK, they have no representation whatsoever in the state government in Tamil Nadu. They want that to change. With months to go for the elections, there are questions being asked on why the Congress is saying this now. Has anything changed in the political landscape of Tamil Nadu? Has the Congress found itself in a place where they seem to think that they have more options and so can afford to go ahead and bargain for power with the DMK? We'll decode all of that. But first, let's get you all of those updates in our report.
The stage is set for the Tamil Nadu Assembly polls. All major parties are gearing up with their alliances. But amid the preparations, the India bloc appears to have a shaky start. The Congress has accused the DMK of expanding Tamil Nadu's debt burden, raising questions over the relationship between Chief Minister M.K. Stalin and Rahul Gandhi. Adding to the tension, Congress MP Manikam Tagore has now spoken about a power-sharing model for the Tamil Nadu elections.
We had been having negotiations with DMK for long years, and there is a process into it. And we had been, this time, there is a huge demand from the ground, from the Congress workers, that we should be having some power sharing in the state government.
The DMK, however, has rubbished Congress's sudden push for power sharing, saying the Grand Old Party is reading the writing on the wall. Meanwhile, the Congress is also battling internal dissent. The power sharing demand comes soon after Congress MP Jyoti Mani claimed that the Tamil Nadu Congress is going against Rahul Gandhi's line of policy-driven politics, exposing a widening rift within the party. Sources say a section in the Congress is eager to ally with actor Vijay's TVK. Sources also suggest behind-the-scenes talks between O. Paneerselvam, TTV Dinakaran and TVK. However, the BJP is also keen to include former AIMDMK leaders OPS and Dinakaran in the NDA. But E. Palanisamy has not yet agreed to an AIADMK reunion with the expelled leaders. As alliances remain fluid and negotiations continue, the power struggle in Tamil Nadu politics is intensifying by the day. With Nagarjun Dwarkanath and Pramod Madhav, Bureau Report, India Today.